My name is Tyrone, I'm from Autoventure 4x4. Autoventure started almost 5 years ago now. Rockford was part of the major process of getting going with Autoventure. Not only did we take on Ironman as a brand, but we took on Rockford, which we've battled for many years to get, and finally crossed that hurdle and got the brand into our stable. We started off doing mostly cars and getting our head around perfecting the cars. Jumped onto the marine bandwagon, which has been an interesting journey. We've had many great clients. As our client with these two boats. Probably the best advert for us is delivering a boat that delivers on more than the client expectation. What it has allowed us to do is do more and more boats, because it's the best form of word of mouth, is building a boat that somebody can hear, see and experience and want the same. Mastercraft NXT 22. Came to us as a bit of a problem job, wasn't sounding too good, client wasn't too happy with the install. We had to make it good. Redid the installation, recalibrated the amps, changed the head unit to something that was more suitable to the boat and what the setup was. I guess that's where Rockford's training, test equipment and calibration equipment came to become fruitful in where we're going as a Rockford dealer in our journey in this industry. We set that boat up to something spectacular. We then got the opportunity to upgrade the wake tower speakers. We now put the M2 8-inch cans on there, and that boat is now a proper showboat. It works like a Rockford system should. It sounds like a Rockford system should. It's been a fantastic advert for us, and the client is ecstatic, to the extent that he gave us his new crest bar. Why would you put a Rockford system in a boat? Well, I guess it's where you want to enjoy it the most. And Rockford delivers on everything you'd expect and more. You're going to have a great sounding system, you're going to be able to enjoy the music, you're going to be able to feel the music, and you're going to be able to live on the water the way you should do with music.